You want to whip up a very quick lunch or dinner in a matter of minutes. Stir fries are always the way to go because they're very efficient, super quick to cook, and they always turn out amazing because you can throw in ingredients of choice like some simple carrots and make some delicious carrot rice. So instead of popping that leftover rice that is just sitting on your fridge in a microwave, try cooking some delicious carrot rice. You'll need leftover rice, carrots, which are shredded, some rosemary, garlic, and a medium onion, together with black pepper, salt, and cooking oil. So I'm going to get straight into cooking my delicious carrot rice by placing a pan over medium flame and adding in a tablespoon of cooking oil. Spread the oil in the pan. And once the cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in a medium onion, which you're going to saute until soft, and that is going to take around a minute. I'm going to add in my garlic as well. Then I'm going to saute my onions and garlic until soft, and that is going to take around a minute. Garlic is a natural aromatic, which adds in a very nice garlic flavor to food. So just throwing in around 2 to 3 cloves of garlic is going to add in lots of flavor to the carrot rice. Don't add in color to the onion. So once everything is nice and soft, I'm going to be adding in a pinch of black pepper is enough, together with a little bit of salt because the rice is already seasoned. Stir in the seasoning, then you're going to add in your rice. Reduce the flame to the lowest at this point. Then you're going to use your spatula and break down the lumps in the rice. And as you can see, my rice had some cardamom pods and black peppercorns because I never cook plain white rice. I'm going to stir in. When you have some perfectly cooked rice and it's leftover, it's going to be very easy for you to whip up a delicious stir fry because the rice is not going to break down. So always buy some good quality rice for that perfect outcome. You don't want to cook some clumpy rice and make a stir fry because it's going to be very messy. After around a minute, this is how my rice is looking. And as you can see, it's as if we have cooked the rice right now. Because it's not clumping together, it's perfectly cooked. So now I'm going to be checking the seasoning at this point. We have a very nice black pepper taste from the leftover rice together with cardamom. So the rice is very flavorful. The seasoning is just perfect because the rice was already seasoned. I've added in a little bit of more salt. So it is at this point that you add in your shredded carrots, to add in a very nice orange hue color to the rice, and also to add in some vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. So I'm going to stir in the carrots until fully combined together with the rice, and just look how gorgeous everything is looking at this point. As the carrots are cooking, I'm going to add in some fresh rosemary. Then I'm going to stir in the fresh rosemary and the carrots and cook for around a minute or two. When the carrots are shredded, they're going to cook very fast, so you don't have to overcook your rice. Let me tell you, when the rosemary hits the hot pan, it's going to get very flavorful and it's going to make the carrot rice very flavorful. So we have lots of flavor in the rice, which is going to be fantastic over some delicious vegan stew, beef stew, chicken stew, and you're not going to be enjoying some boring white rice. So give this recipe a try.